Right guys, I've just sat down on a bench here, just around 5 minutes away from my house, as I just went for a quick jog. Change the mindset, you see. A nice bit of exercise helps your metabolism, shall we say, and keeps you fit, good up in the mind. Well, anyway, that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because of the fact that I have seen something on Facebook that's really getting on my nerves now. And I don't know about you, but you know, when things get on my nerves, I have to sort of like speak out, sometimes speak my mind, and it's not always the best way, but it's the only way I can vent it out. Right, it's a bloody gorgeous day today, as you can see. And you can see the Spinnaker Tower in the background for me. Behind me, sorry. Now, I don't know whether you can hear, whether the wind's picking up on my phone, but it's really annoying when you see these adverts popping up all over your Facebook about solo ads. Solo ads, I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on solo ads before, and do you know what? They don't bloody work. They're a scammy sort of business. You don't know where the clicks are coming from. They're saying they're top tier. You don't know. At the end of the day, you can't monitor it. I've spent loads of money on solo ads. You spend like $80, $100 just to test it to see if you get any clicks. Yeah, but Google, what they do is they measure the click rate, where it's coming from, and if it's a bit spammy, what normally happens is it de-ranks you in Google. And you don't want that for your business. What you want is good quality leads. And what I'm here to share with you today is, you know, I can get you good quality leads. I can show you exactly where to go to get good quality leads, to build your internet business up, to bring you great traffic to your website. Okay, so that's what you're looking for, great leads. Okay, you're not guaranteed to get leads with solo ads, but you are guaranteed to get leads with this other method that I will show you. So I'm about 5 minutes away from my house, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run home, and then you're going to see me flip the camera around onto my PC, and you're going to follow exactly what I'm going to show you. Okay, reason for this is because of the fact that I just want to help you guys get good quality leads. I don't want people to struggle. I'm fed up with solo ads like blasting all over bloody Facebook. You know, you pay for clicks. They probably come from India, from a click center over in India, and you know, you can't guarantee that you're going to get any leads, and the ones that you do get are probably false ones. Okay, I've seen it happen before. It's happened to me before on one of my websites. It ranked badly in Google because of that. They don't see it as good quality traffic, and then that just affects your business, full stop. So what I'm here to do is I'm here to stop that. I'm going to show you the exact method that I use to get leads to my business. When they're charging you like $1.50 for a good lead, apparently from Canada or the USA, you know, you're not guaranteed those leads. You're guaranteed the clicks. The click-through rates is what you want. You want the people that follow through and actually put their name and email into your squeeze page or to your website or whatever to purchase your product. Okay, so I'm going to give you good quality leads where you can pay like 26 cents per lead. Okay, and they're going to be good quality. They're going to be from a company that you pick. You know, good quality leads. So give me 5 minutes, and I'm going to flip the camera around, and you can see them. Okay, as promised, as I said from my run earlier, that I'm going to be showing you exactly where to get high quality leads from top tier countries. So I've mentioned this before. I'm just going to sign into it. Okay, so got an ad here. Obviously this is my balance. I can manage payment on that. Can turn on an ad reach. So let's go to this one, breakthrough method. Okay, this is my advert here, and top tier countries, so my audience. Now I've used Australia, Commonwealth of China, People's Republic of United Kingdom of Great Britain, Northern Ireland, and United States of America. That's all I want. Okay, the age. So it doesn't matter if you want to choose male or female. Minimum age between 25, because most people under 25 aren't actually going to be able to really afford to start up their own business online, because most of them are still living at home with their parents. So the maximum age is 55, because you don't want anyone really older than that. But you know, not really. You want someone who's like business minded in there. So you can change your leads, and as you can see, like your monthly budget up at $400, you can choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna choose like $200 a month. So you can see the leads. You can get 444 leads per month to upload to your autoresponder. Okay, daily leads 44. So daily budget $20. You can change this. Okay, so you can change it to like 10 leads or something, you know, $10, which will half your leads, so you get like 22 leads a day. But you've got your email address, your country, timestamp, IP address. You can have first names, but it puts your costings up, so it's 51 pence per lead. Okay, and you can have your first name, last name, state, age. The more you tick, the more it costs per lead. So you don't really need age, you don't really need state or province, don't really need the last name. You can have the first name if you want the first name, but it's irrelevant. At the end of the day, you don't really need the first name. So the price and balance here, you can see 45 cents per lead. The less you ask for, so you can just have an email address, you don't even need country or timestamp or IP address, but it comes down in price. I would always set this at 45 cents per lead. Okay, so once you get this going, click save. Save the changes. They're going to come back to you, and then they're going to let you know that your report is ready to be uploaded. Like daily amount 44 leads, monthly amount 444 leads, but just by spending $200. You don't have to spend $200 a month, but think about it this way: if you're thinking about advertising on Facebook, people say that you can pay as little as like 30-40 cents per lead. Just think about how many customers that you are getting this advert here too. And as soon as I start getting, let's just have a look. Is this ready to? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So then what happens is I'm going to drag my email across to you just to show you email list. They send you, let's do this one, preview. There we go. The reason why it's showing hashtags is because of the fact that there's not enough space there. So you get the people's email addresses, the countries they come from, the IP addresses like you've asked for in this, and what then happens is that you can see USA, China, GBR. So all of this is happening, as I said, you know, all the so they gave me an extra person. So instead of delivering 44, they gave me an extra person here. And what that does, you can download it and then upload it to your Aweber account or your MailChimp, and then you can start mailing them. Okay, so these are direct people that are interested in your adverts. So I'll take this back over there. So these are the people that have opted in to this advert here. Okay, so they take what you want. Oh, it's USA, Australia, China, and Great Britain, and it has this amount. So I'm going to be spending $200 a month just by getting people in front of my advert, and then I'm going to upload them to my autoresponder to then be able to purchase any products whatsoever through my emails that I send out. Okay, so that is how simple it is. You don't have to go spend loads of money on these solo ads. Let me just have a look. Let me see if I can find the solo ads. Bear with me for a second. Solo ads. So I've just typed in solo ads onto Facebook. You know, you've got solo ads going on here. The people talking about 60% opt-ins and 3 sales. You need some traffic right now. I have traffic available, 18th, 19th. So you go into these soloads.com. So they're bigging it all up here. $28, 50 clicks. Okay, so it's 50 clicks, 100 clicks, $55, 200 clicks. I mean, that's quite cheap. But look at this, it's only clicks. You're not guaranteed, and it tells you this along here. I find that really hard. Cost per click. Cost per click. So that's how much you're paying per click. That's not guaranteed. This is what cheeses me off. You're not guaranteed to have those people come on to your email list. So solo ads, I find, is an absolute waste of time, you know, absolutely rubbish. Success with email solo ads and how to avoid being duped. Yeah, I just find it absolutely crap. What I like about this is the fact that you get your leads. So it doesn't matter about the solo ad whatsoever. You get your leads, you're guaranteed your lead, you pay your money for the leads, and you're only paying 45 cents per lead. So, you know, what are you going to pay for? Are you going to pay for clicks, or are you actually going to pay for somebody's details? Okay, so I know what I'd rather pay for. I'd rather pay for somebody's details. I'd rather not be spending countless amount of money on stupid little clicks to my website when you're not always guaranteed to get those people to convert, when I can just have this here and then upload them to my Aweber. And what that does then is allows you to continue with your email marketing on these people. So, you know, use a bit of common sense, guys. Please don't be spending any more money on getting clicks to your website. Go and spend your money on getting actual leads to your website. So that's it for me today. I just hope that this little video helps you all. And as I said, I want you to be able to, you know, expand on your business by creating more leads to your email address, you know, to your email autoresponder, sorry. So then you can constantly, you know, feed them information that they need. All these people are going to be interested in this. What you write here, that's what they're interested in. Okay? That's exactly what they're interested in. So don't be going selling them something else. Put your advert up there first. You know, this is what I wrote here. A free report, must see, discover the exact formula that I used to make my first dollar online as an online marketer. Learn the 3 simple steps system that I used to build an internet business. I'll show you the exact methods to set up that set me up for success and how I was able to set up a successful business in my spare time. This is all you need to write. Little image up on there. You can create that in GIMP or Paint. Let's have a look. Let's just open up Paint, for instance. Here we go. Right, this is how quick it is to make an image. Okay, so you've got an arrow, color red, big arrow, and then you click a little, there you go, there's an arrow. Yeah, and then if you want to write something, it says here, and then you can write your little advert in there. You know, you can use red or black writing, and you know, discover how to generate, I don't know, say 10k a month from this simple, easy to follow method or system. Oh, follow this easy to follow, simple, easy to follow system. Bang. Okay, so you got that there. You can make it like this. I always use like Tahoma. There we go. Let's do this at 20. There you go. So that's what we have here. A discover how to generate $10,000 a month from this simple, easy to follow system. Then you just grab your paint, bring it up, click on File, Save As. You can either save it as JPEG or a PNG. That's how easy it is to make a little advert like this. You know, you can make a little advert with free report, with an arrow going across. That's all you need is your picture, and then you just do the little write up here. Pretty cool. That is it. Okay, guys, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and set up your LeadServe account. It's worth just doing this than paying somebody to give you a few clicks on your website. If you want clicks on your website, you know, go to you know, fiverr.com or something like that and pay for someone to click on your website, because you know, you're not going to get any leads from these solo ads. As much as they promise you, you're not going to get any. You know, I feel really strongly against solo ads. Just spend $20 a day, even $5 a day. You get more leads than what you do with solo ads, sorry. Right, so that's it, and I hope this is helpful to you.